Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will explore an interesting finding of one of world's most talented mathematician, Srinivasa Ramanujan. Ramanujan was a renowned Indian mathematician and he was declared child mathematician at the age of just 12 years by his teachers. What we will learn today is his famous invention on his birth date, that is a magic square. So here we will learn that how in a square form he has nicely represented his birth date numbers and where is the magic in it. Now this is that historic square which was formed by Ramanujan years ago, and it is mainly made on his birth date. So if we can look over here, before that I want to make you understand one thing, that in this square there are four rows. This is the first row, this is the second row, third row and the fourth row. First row consists of the elements 22, 12, 18, 87. Second row consists of 88, 17, 9, 25. Likewise, third row consists of 10, 24, 89, 16. And fourth row consists of 19, 86, 23 and 11. So this sides are the rows, and which goes downward are called columns. So this is the first column, this is the second column, here goes the third column and here goes the fourth column. Now what is the interesting part over here? If you take the elements of the first row, what are the elements of the first row? 22, 18, 22, 12, 18 and 87. So let's write once again. 22, 12, this 18 and 87 I am writing it all together. And if you put dot over in between, then this is a date forming and this is the birth date of Ramanujan. He was born on 22nd of December 1887. So according to his birth date, he has formed this magic square. Now where is the magic in this square? That we will come one by one. Now look into the magic. If you consider the row elements, if I am considering the row elements and if you add up the members of each row, the answer will come 139 in each case. Like look over here, the first row has the elements 22, 12, 18 and 87. If you add up the numbers, you are getting the answer as 139 as shown this side. Again, if you add up the elements of the second row, again you will get 139. That is 88 plus 17 plus 9 plus 25, you will get 139. Again 10 plus 24 plus 89 plus 16, you will again get 139. Again, if you add up the elements of the fourth row, you will again get 139. Next, if you consider the column elements, what are the column elements? First column has the elements 22, 88, 10 and 19. If you add up the column elements, you will get the answer 139 as well. For the second column also 139. For the third column also 139 and for the fourth column also you will get 139. So what are the first two things we have seen over here? That if you add up the row elements, the answer in each case will come 139. If you add up the column elements of each column or each row, the answer will come 139 in each case. Again look, if you consider the corner elements. What are the corner elements? 22 is one of the corner elements, 87, 19 and 19, 11, 87 and 22. So if you consider the column elements and if you add up the column elements, the answer will again come 139. Again, if you take the, look over here, I have colored the sets over here. I have colored 88 and 10 together and 25 and 16 together. 88, 10, 25 and 16. That is, I am taking this set and this set and clubbing them to form a pair of 4 numbers. So the sum of numbers in the two sets of the colored cells, again they will sum up to 139. If you take 88 and 10 and 25 and 16 together, the sum will be 139. Again, if you take these two elements, 12 and 18 and 86 and 23, again if you add them up, add these two sets up, you will again get 139. So this is another two combinations which will add up to 139. Again, look to the next set of numbers. If you take 1288, like this way, if you are taking the numbers this way and this way diagonally, and if you add both of these sets up, the answer will come 139. That is what we are getting in this case, 12 plus 88 plus 16 plus 23. This will add up to 139. Again, if you add up 18, 25 and 10, 86, 18, 25, 10, 86, this will again come as 139. So this is another two sets of numbers. Like if I am taking this diagonal and this diagonal together, and I am taking this diagonal and this diagonal together, in each of the cases, if you add these two sets of numbers together, again you will get 139. Now what is the next set of numbers? If you take the central numbers, central means which are at the middle part. If you take this middle portion numbers together and add them up, you will again get 139. That is 17 plus 9 plus 24 plus 89, that is again equals to 139. These are all the possible combinations that upon which you can combine and you will get 139. Again, if you take 18, this set of corner elements, 18, 87, 9 and 25, look, I have colored with different colors with green, blue and red. So the green part summation will come 139, blue part summation will come 139, and the red part summation will also come 139. Also, this remaining part summation will also come 139. So if you divide it into 4 small blocks, see each of the big block consists of 4 numbers. If you add each of the 4 numbers together, you will get the answer as 139. For example, 18 plus 87 plus 9 plus 25 will come 139. Again, 89 plus 16 plus 23 plus 11 will come 139. Again, 10 plus 24 plus 19 plus 86 will come 139. And again, 22 plus 12 plus 88 plus 17 will also come 139. Now again, if you take this pair 88, 17, 10, 24, I've colored this part with yellow. The yellow part and the green part again will separately sum up to 139. That is, if you do 88 plus 17 plus 10 plus 24, you will get 139. Again 9, 25, 89 and 16, again you will get 139. Now one more combination of the number is the diagonal numbers. What are the two diagonals of the square? This is one diagonal and this is the second diagonal. So if I'm considering the first diagonal, the sum of the numbers will be 19 plus 24 plus 9 plus 87. That will come as 139. And if you are considering the second diagonal, so 22 plus 17 plus 89 plus 11, that will also come 139. Now, why in all the cases you are getting the answer as 139 only? Because as per the birth date of Ramanujan, that is in accordance with the first row, if you add up the numbers, that is 22 plus 12 plus 18 plus 87, this is 139. For this reason, in so many ways, in whichever ways we have combined 4 numbers at a time, we have got the result as 139. Now, question can come to your head that by knowing your date of birth, can you prepare your own magic square? Yes, you can. So that will be fun. I'll show you how can you prepare the magic square using your date of births. Now look, this is the first row, which is having the elements 22, 12, 18 and 87. That was the date of birth of Ramanujan. I'm marking this 22, 12, 18 and 87. The first number, take it as A. This second one, take it as B. Third one, take it as C. And fourth one, take it as D in accordance with this formula. Look, they have made the first column as A, B, C, D. So in place of 22, 12, 18 and 87, you just write A, B, C, D. Then you have to remember these parts. If this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. So depending on the values of A, B, C, D, the second row will be having the members as D plus 1, C minus 1, B minus 3, A plus 3. Likewise, the third row will be having the elements B minus 2, A plus 2, D plus 2, C minus 2. And the fourth row will be having the elements C plus 1, D minus 1, A plus 1 and B minus 1. Now, knowing your date of birth, how can you easily prepare this magic square? That I'm going to show you now using this formula. It's very easy. So first and foremost, I'll show you with my date of birth. Before that, I'm drawing a square. Make sure the lines are straight. I'm drawing with pen, so it's crooked. 6, 5, 1991. Take this as A, take this as B. 1991, the first two numbers take it as C and the rest two take it as D. So in place of A, you have to write 6, here put it 5, here put it 19 and here put it 91. Now look, first and foremost, you have to calculate the sum of the numbers of first row. That is my date of birth. 6 plus 5 plus 19 plus 91. The summation is coming 121. So, no matter however you arrange the elements, the answer should come 121 in each case. Right? Now we will prepare the magic square first. The first element is D plus 1. So D is 91. So 91 plus 1 will be becoming 92. The second is C minus 1. C is 19. So C minus 1 will be 19 minus 1, that is 18. Next is B minus 3. 5 minus 3, that is equals to 2. Next is A plus 3. A is 6. 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. The third row, B minus 2. B is 5. So 5 minus 2, that will come 3. Next is A plus 2. A is 6. 6 plus 2, that is 8. Next is D plus 2. 91 plus 2, that is 93. Next is C minus 2. C is 19. 19 minus 2 is equals to 17. And for the fourth row, the first number is C plus 1. So C is 19 over here. 19 plus 1, that is equals to 20. D minus 1, D is 91. 91 minus 1, that is equals to 90. Then is A plus 1. A is 6. 6 plus 1, that is equals to 7. And B minus 1. B is 5. So 5 minus 1, that is equals to 4. Now, if you add up the numbers of the second row, that is 92 plus 18 plus 2 plus 9, you will get the answer as 121. Similarly, for the third and the fourth row, you will get the same answers. If you are adding up the numbers of the first column, 6 plus 92 plus 3 plus 20, you will get the answer as 121. Similarly, for the second column, for the third column, and for the fourth column. Also, if you find out the summation of the center elements 18 plus 2 plus 8 plus 93, you will get the answer as 121. If you take the corner element 6 plus 91 plus 4 plus 20, you will get the answer as 121. So in whichever way we have learnt previously, if you combine the numbers in that way, you will find in all the cases you will get the answer as 121. Because as per my date of birth, the sum of the numbers of the first row is 121. That is the numbers of my date of birth. So in this way, each and every one of you can prepare your own magic square by knowing your date of birth. So please let me know in the comment section if you have any difficulty in understanding this part. It's very interesting. If you have liked the video, then please share, subscribe. Thank you.